This is JoJo Siwa track.
Watch and learn.
Okay.
Immediately, I'm going on this line slide. Oh god.
Hey!
Come on, enough of this. Let me use my item. Now you can see these buttons right here on the ground. When you hit them all, it makes a rainbow bridge appear. And there it is. I feel like the second game has a track just like this. I'm pretty sure it does. I gotta get ahead of April. Now this boomerang's not gonna help. Oh wait, never mind, it did help. Oh, and also the trap hazards that Crumb drops, there are glasses of water that has his eyes in it. No joke. And when you drop them, they just move back and forth until somebody hits them. And I do believe you can either drop them backward or throw them forward, like you do with John's traps. I want to go back on that rainbow bridge. Come on, Hans. You can't mess me up. Give me something... Well, I wouldn't say that item's good enough, Mousers. Out of my way, Reptar. CatDog are going to be the winners here. I'm not going back on that slime slide again. Thanks for the boost, Sunshine. Oh god, that was a rush trap, but thankfully I didn't hit it myself. Mousers. Oh god, the bowling pins again. And there aren't any on the bridge. Oh my god. Of course I'm the one who spins out. That's SpongeBob. Can I really get ahead of him?